At Watts Urethane, we're continually investing in manufacturing and looking to reduce energy and production costs in order to ensure our customers get the best prices for their products. One of our latest investments has been into casting stations. These are to cater for smaller products that come through the manufacturing process. These casting stations have smaller, more energy efficient ovens, which provide improved heat retention and circulation, which in turn reduces the curing times of the polyurethane parts. As they're smaller, the ramping time to temperature is within minutes, and heating is only triggered when the oven is in use. So not only does this save money, which we can pass on to our customers, but it's also more environmentally friendly as it uses less energy. To find out more about how we can help with your part requirements, please contact our sales team.